Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel The Faiza Editz. Here you'll find sewing, alteration, knitting, crochet, smart cooking, meal prep, product reviews, and different mom life hacks. If you're a busy mom like me, you're in the right place. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so let's get started. Today, I'm sharing one of the most adorable creations from my Etsy shop, thoughtfully designed to add that extra special touch to announcing the arrival of your little bundle of joy. This is one of those small details that truly makes a difference when sharing happy news with family and loved ones. Whether it's a baby girl or a baby boy, these Mithai boxes are created to feel warm, meaningful, and memorable. As you're watching, you'll notice that each box comes pre-creased, securely taped, and completely ready to assemble. To make sure they arrive safely and without any damage, they are shipped flat. This helps maintain clean edges and a strong structure. While assembling, the most important step is to gently aligning the edges before pressing them down. These boxes are designed to fit snugly on purpose, so they can comfortably hold over half a pound of mithai while keeping their shape. If the edges aren't aligned properly, the lid may not sit correctly on the base. It can feel either too tight or too loose. Taking just a few extra seconds here really helps everything comes together beautifully. I also offer custom orders, and this is one example of a custom design I have created, specifically made to fit a small mason jar filled with nuts, along with a four-partition divider for mithai and personalized details on top of the box. Custom orders are designed with the same care and attention to details tailored to your needs. If you're interested in ordering, you can find these designs available in my Etsy shop, and if you have a custom idea in mind, please feel free to message me directly. I would love to create something special just for you.